So I'm going to go over method 4 and 5 of removing dowel pins from an engine block while the engine is still in the engine bay. So if you remember, method 1 or 2 was using a vice grip pliers or using that special tool which I listed in the previous video. The special tool is $150 and the vice lock pliers doesn't work most of the time. Method 3 was welding onto the dowel pin, which works beautifully. Method 4 is to cut yourself from a piece of stock a hole which is just smaller than the dowel pin, and then you heat this up, you put it over the dowel pin, and you've got to make sure you calculate the size of the hole so that it will expand enough when heated to fit easily over the dowel pin. Then you wait till it cools, and then you can twist this with a pipe wrench. You can twist this off. That requires you to have an accurate reamer to ream out the size of the hole very accurately, and then you've got to measure the size of your dowel pin first with a micrometer, so you make sure that this fit works so that you heat shrink it over, because obviously it's no use, it's too big, and then when it cools down it's not tight enough. Now that will take out the dowel pin without damaging it. Method 5, now I didn't try that method, I don't have a reamer. Method 5 is to get a 5/16 inch drill bit and to drill into a piece of stock like this. This is an M8 bolt. It comes from a U-joint from a drive shaft, and it's extremely strong because these have to be, and I think they're grade 10.9 or better. You screw this in. You can make these really, really tight. You'll actually be able to make them tight enough to actually deform the dowel pin. So if you look closely at this dowel pin, it actually has a dent in it from the screw. You push it in there, well, you push this over the engine block, you put this over the dowel pin in the engine block, you tighten this as tight as you can, and then you use a pipe wrench to just turn this, or you can even weld on a big nut if you like, and then you can turn it with a socket wrench. And then it pulls out quite easily. So that actually worked. That concludes method 4 and 5. If I've got any other methods that work or don't work, I'll put them in the description or make another video. Thank you.